Welcome in car detailing. Our services. Ceramic coating. Car detailing. Compound polish. Headlights buffing. Engine detailing. Interior detailing. Interior vacuum. Car waxing. Seats cleaning. Complete wash. Tire shining. Rim cleaning. We provide car detailing services in Islamabad and Rawalpindi at home. Just call and book your order. Our team will be at your doorstep. For more information, please contact 0330686240 or visit www.cardetailing.pk. You can visit on our outlet, Gauri Town, Phase 4, C2, Street number 7, Islamabad.